Hola, estudiantes. My name is Michael Garcia, and I'll be the instructor for the Spanish 101 online course. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate through the Blackboard site. After you log in to your Blackboard and click on the link to the Spanish course, this is what you will see. On the left side of the screen, there are different tabs. The first one is the home page. Second one is the syllabus. I suggest that you print out the assignment calendar and the syllabus so that you don't miss any assignments. The next tab down is the week by week. On the week by week tab, you'll find different folder or different learning modules. And then inside those modules, you'll find the quizzes or the assignments or the discussion forums if there are any for that week. So click on week 1 and it will take you to the first assignment automatically, but if you go back, you can see here the list or the table of contents, what you need to do for that, for this particular week. The next tab is the discussion board. So you can access the discussion board directly through this link, or you can go to the week by week and then week 1, and then here's the discussion board. So see, it takes you to the exact same place. Next tab down is announcements. And I have posted the first announcement for the semester. It's very exciting. I post announcements weekly, at least one, kind of giving you some information about the upcoming week. The next tab down is the Spanish special characters. This is a document, our document that I made in case you don't know how to do like upside down exclamation marks or question marks, and the accent, the ñ, and all of those characters that are new to you. The next tab down is my grades, and then we have my email, and here you can email any of your fellow students, of your fellow classmates, or myself. You can send individual emails or you can send group emails. Okay, and the last tab is help, and this is if you're having any issues with your Blackboard site. Okay, I hope this video was useful, and don't forget to do the quiz. It's a pleasure having you in my class, and adios.